Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Spotify music offline downloads to another device, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer Spotify music offline downloads to another device, first, ensure you have a Spotify Premium account, as offline downloads are only available for premium users. Begin by logging into your Spotify account on the device that has the downloaded music. Open the Spotify app and navigate to the Your Library section. Look for the playlist or album containing the songs you wish to transfer. Take note of your downloaded tracks, as you will need to search for them on the new device. Next, open the Spotify app on the device where you want to transfer the music. Log in using the same Spotify account credentials. Once logged in, search for the playlists or albums you noted earlier. If they don't show up with offline downloads, you will need to re-download them. To download, tap the download toggle switch next to the playlist or album. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data during the download process. Wait for the tracks to download completely. Once the download is finished, you can access your offline music on the new device within the Spotify app. Remember, Spotify manages offline downloads uniquely, so keep both devices logged into the same account for a smooth experience. You can now enjoy your favorite Spotify music offline on your new device. If you encounter issues, check that both devices are updated to the latest version of the Spotify app. If you need more help, refer to Spotify's official support resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.